Hello everyone, welcome to Chatney's Kitchen, and today in the super kitchen we will see how to bake this whole chicken. Yes, and I'm going to show you all the process. I will be needing all this because I will fill up the inside with all this, and then I am making this special spice. Okay, so I took 2 tablespoons of garlic powder here. And now I'm going to add some garlic salt as well. So for 3 chicken, so that's why 3 whole chicken. So that's why I'm taking a little bit more sugar than the usual one. Now I'm going to add, after the garlic powder, I will add ginger powder. Okay, so here is ginger powder. So I'm taking 1.5 tablespoons of ginger powder, and then I will add the special spice. Okay, here you go. So this is a special spice I got, and I have all sorts of pepper here. Now if you don't get this in your country, then you can just make it on your own. So I'm going to add the entire packet because I'm cooking. I'll be baking 3 chicken, people. Yes. Okay people, so I have taken butter here, and the butter is in room temperature, so I need here is 1 chicken. I will show you the entire process. Take butter and rub into chicken. Rub, 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 rub. Rub, 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 rub. Yes. So you have to take butter and rub into the entire chicken. Really, really well. Yuck. So this is kind of long process, so I will rub the entire chicken with butter and spice later on. First of all, a good butter rub. Okay people, so now you can see that it's a little bit whiter and it's red because that's for my Russian friend and they don't like pepper or spice, but this is for us, so that's why I've added some red chili pepper. Now I will put this inside. Yes, it will be yummy people. So, yep, that's it. So we have to marinate it for 24 hours and then we'll just put it into the oven tomorrow and wait for it to bake. And I can't wait to show you the final result, how it looks.